Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss the difference between procurement and purchasing. Let's start the video. Procurement and purchasing. Purchasing are two terms that are often used interchangeably. If you ask a layman about the difference, you may get reply that purchasing and procurement are one and the same. But if you ask the same question to a manager, you all get a significantly longer answer as to how and why there are of difference between purchasing and procurement. What is procurement? Let's discuss what is procurement. Procurement refers to a process of identifying, listing, selecting and acquiring suitable goods or services from a third party vendor through direct purchase, competitive biddings or tendering process while ensuring timely delivery of the right quality and quantity. What is purchasing? Purchasing is the best set of functions associated with acquiring the goods and services that an organization requires. Purchasing is a small subset of the broader procurement functions. This process includes activities like ordering, expediting, receiving and fulfilling payment. Difference between procurement and purchasing. Let's explain the difference between procurement and purchasing. The end goals of procurement is to identify the company's needs and fulfill the procurement of these needs. It is a strategic and proactive process. On the other hand, the end goals of purchasing is to arrange company expenditure and buy goods and services for the company. It is reactive process. In procurement places more importance on an item's volume than how much it costs, but in purchasing more focused on price than value. Procurement involved in the end-to-end activities that needed to acquire all necessary goods and services. Procurement does everything from needs recognition to sourcing, contract closure and record keeping. Purchasing get involved when it's time to buy goods and services. Tasks involved in purchasing or ordering, expending and payment. Procurement focused on developing long-term and a win-win relationship with supplier. On the other hand, purchasing focused on making efficient transactions, not only concerned with developing vendor relations. Go through the share the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.